a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Getting on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Well, save your piglet!
First the deer, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Hey, piglet! Well, save your piglet. Follow me, right this way. It's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Happy birthday, Pooh!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about you is that taking the best presents.
Looks fun!
These are all for you.